Hello world! Today we're working on a 2009 Dodge Nitro. Now this is going to apply from 2007 to 2012. This is the 3.7 liter. Just a quick reminder, if you found this video to be helpful in any way or form, please make sure to hit that like button. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. Remove these connectors. Try to make some space over here to get access to the 10mm that's holding it. Now I'm going to remove this. You don't have to. I just want it out of my way. Now that that's out of the way, we're going to go ahead and loosen up this guy. Alright, so the way you want to get this coil out, or should I say all the coils out, you want to press up against the, I guess that part. I don't know what it's called. I'll show you right now real quick. Let me stick that in here real quick. That'll be a 5/8. Anyways, so you want to put the flathead or little pry bar right there. You want to press up with the pry bar and twist and pulse at an angle. So if you do this correctly, then it'll come out easier than trying to pull straight up. I found that once you press it with the pry bar and pull it at an angle, it'll come out. Why doesn't it come out straight up? I have no idea why they made it that way. Alright, now that we have that cylinder out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and continue. I would have to say that bank 2 is the easier one. Bank 1 is a little harder, and I will show you why. Well, actually, you know what? They both have their little things. On bank 2, you have the coils, which is what we're doing right now. And it can be a pain, as you can see right here, to get that coil out. And on bank 1, which is the other side, you'll see that it has its own thing with trying to remove the spark plug wire boot, because you you can't really grab it that well, and you will see what I mean right now. This is a oh man, I'm having a brain fart. This is a system where one coil goes to 2 cylinders. Now I don't remember, don't quote me on this, but if I remember correctly, that would be a waste spark system. If somebody can let me know, then I'm sure I might be wrong, most likely. I'm not perfect, but so since I have these guys out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the spark plugs in. This job is one of the easier ones than other Dodge vehicles and or Chrysler. So that was one upside. So if you have this particular vehicle, you shouldn't have too much of an issue getting, you know, your own spark plugs done. And obviously, if you're watching this, you can use this as reference. Now, don't get too excited by using a electric or cordless ratchet trying to get these guys in there. Now that we have all those guys in there, we're going to go ahead and put the coils back on. Sometimes I do them one by one, sometimes I throw them all in there, then tighten them down. It just depends on the day that it is. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten that guy. All right, so as we move on to the other side, you'll see what I was talking about earlier. Luckily, I have these guys, and they were pretty helpful. Although I did have to resort to using some hose pliers, which you will see. All right, so this is the front one. You can see that they're kind of tucked in here, so it can make it just a bit difficult. So see, I have to grab it without trying to damage it and pull that guy out. And ta-da! It's out. So I guess the goal here would be try not to rip any wire or separate it from the boot. Here we have another one out. See, I had to resort to using these pliers and trying to be as careful as possible not to damage anything, which can be difficult sometimes. That last one was a bit difficult. So once you have those out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and remove the spark plugs. I'm moving so fast, it's dangerous. Anyways, off we go with that. Then we're gonna do the install. Sorry, I'm trying to play this as quickly as I can. So once you have everything hooked back up, we're going to go ahead and put this intake boot, connect that intake air temperature sensor, and then you're set. I do have to do something else before I wrap this up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. That should get you through and guide you through replacing your own spark plugs. Thanks for watching. Peace.